Hey guys, this is the beautiful thing about selling on Amazon. If you do things the right way, you can make money while you travel. Matter of fact, in the last week, I've done over 17,000 in sales, and that's all Amazon FBA. You know, I buy my items from eBay, I flip them on Amazon FBA. Of course, there's a million ways to source inventory, but this is how I rock and roll in my business. And today we're in Booth Bay, Maine. And I just want to share with you this beautiful view from the room. And I'll tell you right now, work hard, play hard. I'm just enjoying this amazing view and wanted to share it with you as well. And this is the powerful thing about selling on Amazon, right? You buy all your inventory. And again, you could buy it from thrift stores, garage sales. You could sell stuff around your house, library sales, auctions, flea markets. The list goes on and on. You know, I like to leverage my capital and buy items from eBay. I have a couple virtual assistants who do all the sourcing for me. Comes to my house. I have somebody who lists it and ships it all out. And then I have someone on my team who works on the back end, repricing and helping out with stranded inventory, high pricing errors, all that stuff. And, you know, that's the thing about running a business, right? There's a lot of amazing things, but there's also a lot of stuff on the back end you have to do, bookkeeping, taxes, so on and so forth. But yeah, this is the view from my room today. I've been on a trip in Maine, just kind of getting away, clearing my mind, thinking about 2024 and the goals that I want to accomplish and what I want to achieve. And I recommend you guys do that as well. Think about what you want to achieve, be intentional. But yeah, just in the last week, I've been traveling, haven't been working at all. And I've done over 17,000 in sales. Now, of course, that's not all profit, right? My profit margins typically come to around 25%. So what is that? 4, 8, 12, 16, probably a little over 4,000. And of course, you do have to reinvest money back into the business. So again, I'm not putting all that in my pocket, but this is the powerful thing about, you know, selling on Amazon, right? Especially if you're FBA, you buy everything, you leverage the FBA fulfillment centers to, you know, do all the work for you on the back end. So once I ship everything to the warehouses, they pick it, they pack it, they ship it, they deal with customer service, and then you get paid. So I'm enjoying, you know, the end of the year. Tonight, I'm going to be really diving into my goals a bit more. And one thing I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to share it with you guys hopefully soon. And check that out. There's a hot tub. Oh, I'm definitely going to be going in there tonight. I think it's open till 8 o'clock. But one of the things I'm going to be doing tonight is I'm going to be pretty much looking at all my top goals. And I'm going to be printing out pictures, and I'm going to be creating a vision board for 2024. Because I really do believe that, you know, not only reading your goals, but visually seeing them and thinking about them and attaching emotion to them is important. And I'll spoil one of my Amazon goals, 1 million in sales. That's the goal. This year, I think I'm going to probably do, I don't know, over 600. I'm already close to that. I might already be past 600, but I want to do 1 million in sales with a 25% profit margin. And I want to do that by spending 5 hours per week. This year, I spent 5 to 10 hours per week. And I did the math based on how much money I ended up making. So I did over 600,000 in sales. So it was about 150,000 in profit. And of course, you know, you have to reinvest money back in and whatnot. So I ended up profiting after, you know, putting money back into the business around 6 figures pre-tax, which is cool, doing about, you know, I'd say 5 to 10 hours a week. And that comes to over $140 per hour, which is cool. Now, of course, with eBay to Amazon, it does take more capital and, you know, credit, which I'm not a big fan in going into debt. I didn't go into debt at all, but you know, I've got about 40 to 50,000 a month revolving in this business to be able to, you know, do over 100,000 a month in sales, which is what I've been doing the last month and a half. But yeah, just want to share with you guys a little bit behind the scenes. I am super excited to go into town, explore, have some fun. And I'm really just grateful to be able to share my journey, help you guys. 2024, there's going to be a lot of new content coming about. Okay, so I've got the E2A Flippers podcast, which I've started. There's going to be a lot of videos on YouTube, of course, Instagram, TikTok. I'm just going to be creating tons of content, sharing and helping and, you know, just giving back as much as I possibly can to you guys because I'm just so grateful for the opportunity of selling on Amazon and being able to help people. You know, in the last 2 years, I've helped over 1,000 people, you know, with the eBay to Amazon Masterclass and just so grateful and excited. And I just love Amazon. I love helping. I love sharing. And, I'm just really appreciative of all you guys. So with that being said, much love. I'm going to get to enjoying this view and going through my goals. And just want to say much love. I appreciate you guys. Bye-bye.